Hello everyone, welcome to PMN Online. In this tutorial, we will learn how to set up Cloudflare. Have you ever wondered how to make your website faster, more secure, and more reliable without spending a dime? Well, today we're diving into exactly that by setting up Cloudflare. Cloudflare offers a fantastic free plan that allows you to add one website to their powerful platform. This can greatly enhance your site's performance and security, making it more accessible to users around the globe. Whether you're a small business owner or a hobbyist blogger, this setup can be a game changer. So let's jump right into the details. First things first, you'll need to sign up for a Cloudflare account. It's a straightforward process where you simply follow the on-screen instructions. During registration, you'll need to provide some basic information, such as your email address, which you'll link to your Cloudflare account. You'll also enter your name, your business name if applicable, and the domain name for the website you're planning to add. Once you've filled in these details, you're on your way to boosting your website with Cloudflare's features. After signing up, the next step is to verify your Cloudflare account. This usually involves checking your email for a verification link from Cloudflare. Once you've clicked that link, your account will be authenticated and you'll be ready to log in. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the Cloudflare dashboard. This is your command center, where you can manage all aspects of your website's integration with Cloudflare. Now let's explore how to configure your website settings. If you're using the free plan, you can register one website. Start by selecting your website or domain from the dashboard. This is where the magic happens. You have the option to set up various features like an email routing system, which can help in managing your incoming and outgoing emails more efficiently. You can also establish DSN rules. For instance, you might want to redirect visitors from different countries to a specific subdomain, tailoring their experience to their location. Moreover, Cloudflare allows you to enhance your site's security by adding SSL certificates. This ensures that the data exchange between your site and its visitors is encrypted and secure. Additionally, you can optimize your site's speed and performance by configuring caching options, which store parts of your site closer to your visitors, reducing load times. Traffic rules can also be set to manage how data flows in and out, ensuring your site remains fast and responsive. If you're coming from another hosting provider like Hostinger or Bluehost, you might need to transfer your domain to Cloudflare. This process involves some additional steps, but Cloudflare provides clear on-screen instructions to guide you through it. If you're starting from scratch, you can create a new domain. This involves entering your first name, last name, address, and other details as prompted. Once done, you'll have a brand new domain ready to go. And there you have it, a comprehensive walkthrough on setting up Cloudflare. By following these steps, you're equipping your website with tools to improve its speed, security, and overall performance. That's it for this tutorial on how to set up Cloudflare. If you found it useful, subscribe to PMN Online and stay tuned for more helpful videos.